Welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing MSc Statistics program for University of Delhi. And before starting, I want to share something. We're providing all type of courses related guidance, and you can contact directly on our WhatsApp, which is paid service. If you have other queries related to any course, you can directly contact us on our WhatsApp. Here you can see the course name is Master of Statistics, and we will talk about one by one. First, first thing this about the department. So this is choice-based credit system. So after that, you will get some credits after the completion of course. These are now from here. This is the program structure. MA Statistics, this is the 2-year course divided in the 4 semesters. Student is required to complete 84 credits. Means that you have to complete all these 4 semesters, and after completion of this course you will get 84 credits. First year semester 1 and 2, and second year semester 3 and 4. Now course credit scheme is given here in the semester 1 20 credits, to 20 third 16 and 4 12. So there are total 68 credits, and these are core courses, these are elective courses and open elective courses. So overall credits are 84. Semester wise details are given here. So which papers you will study in this course in this semesters. Now next thing is that eligibility for the admission. So there are the two types of admissions mode. First mode is direct admission, and the second mode is through an entrance test. So what is the mode 1? If 50% seats in MA shall be filled on the basis of merit list and category who have passed BSc in statistics. If you are a student of Delhi and you have passed BSc from statistics from Delhi University, so you can directly get admission in this college. But from mode 2, if you are not Delhi University student, and if you want to go for Delhi University, so if you have a bachelor degree in any subject and study at least 3 course each of the 1 year duration and 6 course each of the 1 semester. So if you have a 1 semester duration in statistics, so you are eligible for this course, and you can appear in the entrance examination. Any candidate who has obtained bachelor degrees in mathematics or computer science with at least one paper in statistics under scheme of examination, so you are also eligible for this course. So you have a degree in mathematics, but you have appeared in the statistics is one of the semesters, so you are eligible for this course. Any candidate appearing in the final year examination of bachelor degree of the same calendar year shall also be eligible. So if you are last year student, so you can go through or go for this examination. And here some seats are given here. So 93 seats are available for this course only. So general category for mode 1 24, and for mode 2 23 seats are available. Similarly, some modalities and assessments are given here, and you can go through this PDF. So, if you have other queries, kindly reach out to us. We will provide all the details with very simple way. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.